to the fact that I went to New College for my undergraduate education. I started out going to Columbia my freshman year, an Ivy League school, but it didn't really suit me, and I found New College. And that stood me in extraordinarily good stead. It taught me how to read and think critically, helped me understand how to tackle new issues and problems creatively. And that broad education, I think, stood me in very good stead subsequently. I think New College is extraordinarily unique. It prepared me extraordinarily well for the world I faced during the great financial crisis. I don't think I could have done the job I did in 2009 when I took over president of the New York Fed without a New College education.